Hi and welcome to a new video. Is the brightness of your iPhone screen not enough for your environment? In this video, I will show you how to adjust a few settings to make the display increasingly brighter on your iPhone. Let's go. To start, open the Settings on your iPhone. Locate Display and Brightness and then make sure that True Tone is disabled. This configuration uses sensors that allow your iPhone to adapt to the lighting conditions of your surroundings, causing the display to match the ambient light. As a result, the iPhone will switch to a warmer color temperature, making the screen slightly dimmer. Here, you may also adjust the brightness level by dragging the slider to the maximum. Another configuration that should be disabled is the low power mode, which can be found within the battery settings. Make sure to keep this feature deactivated so that it does not optimize the power usage of your iPhone, resulting in a dimmer display. This time, go to Accessibility Settings. Choose Display and Text Size from the menu, scroll down to the bottom, and disable Auto Brightness. If you enable this, your iPhone will automatically dim or brighten the display based on your environment, which may make it difficult to manually control the brightness of your screen. Also, see to it that Reduce White Point is disabled as well. Otherwise, it will reduce the intensity of bright colors on your iPhone, making it quite complex to achieve a brighter screen. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.